Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 305i, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on this device it looks like Do Not Disturb mode is added by default, which for me it is right over here, but if you don't see it anywhere on this panel, you can click on the Edit button, and this will also display below here toggles that are turned off, which you can quickly add by dragging them over to the top. Now going back, once you see the toggle for Do Not Disturb mode, you can either tap on it to turn it on right away, or you can hold it and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. So I do recommend going over some of these options as they will change how the mode actually functions, and some of the more important ones would be things like the calls. Under here you can select who can call you. Then below that we have messages, same options as calls though. And then we do have things like repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they'll bypass whatever you have selected right over here. Now below that we have schedule, so you can select a fully automatic schedule, which will turn on and off Do Not Disturb mode at a provided day of the week and start and end time. Now if you're planning to utilize schedule, just make sure that it's toggled on in here, and that's all you need to do. For everyone else who wants to just enable it manually from time to time, once it's all set up, just find the toggle and tap on it. And that's it. Once you're done with it, you can also tap on it once more to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.